Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PNG image on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and then tap on the plus icon to upload an image from your gallery. Now a PNG image will appear as any normal image on your gallery. If this PNG doesn't have a background, then it will appear with a black backdrop. You can simply tap on your desired PNG image to open it up. And now you can proceed with editing this PNG image. If you wish to add a PNG image onto an existing one, then you can tap on Tools and tap on Double Exposure. From here you can proceed with tapping on the plus picture icon and choose your PNG. And now this will be imported onto your existing image right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a PNG image on the Snapseed app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.